Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 265 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First, we need to open the controls menu. To do it, press and hold the light button. After the menu appears on the screen, you can scroll through it by swiping on the screen like this. Look for the airplane mode icon. It probably won't be here because by default it's not added to this menu. And if it's not here, we need to press and hold the up button. Tap on Add Controls. Find the airplane mode icon, tap on it, and it will be added to the controls menu. Now if you go back to the menu, you will see that the airplane mode icon appeared and you can select it. And as you can see, we have the status of the mode and it says off, which means that the mode is disabled. And if you want to enable it, you can tap on this icon or press the start button. And then the status will change to on and the icon will change the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable the mode, open the controls menu again, select the airplane mode icon, press the start or tap on the icon to change the status to off, and then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.